welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys so much for joining me in today's video. So as you guys can tell by the title, today I am doing a collective haul slash graduation dresses that were my options for graduation slash what I got for my birthday, because I mainly got clothes for my birthday. I know I have the most amazing friends of life. You know, I'm the one who spends all my money on makeup and my friends spend money on clothes for me, so that's really nice. So yeah, I decided why not show you guys what clothes I got. And you guys pretty much liked my last clothing haul featuring Mr. Price and stuff, and I'm pretty sure that most of these clothes that I do have today are pretty affordable, besides maybe my one graduation dress. But for those of you who do want to go to graduation and all that great stuff, I thought why not include my options for grad so you guys can kind of get inspiration as to what to wear for grad. So yeah, let's just get into this video. So this is actually a crop top. This is from Factory, and my friend Danny had a black one like this and I was obsessed with her black one. So I was like, girl, I might just steal your black one. So she actually got me one for my birthday in plum, because you guys know plum is like my color. You know, like plum clothes goes with my hair. So yeah, this is what I wore for my birthday, and it's a really warm material. So yeah, I really like it. It feels amazing. It's like suede sort of, and I'm just really obsessed with it. It's actually meant to be a crop top, but I got it in a way bigger size, so it's long enough. So even if I wear like a high-waisted jean, it's not gonna like show my belly button or my belly. So the next thing I got from one of my friends, and I believe this is from Cotton On. This is a really comfortable jumpsuit, you guys. So thank you, Shivani, for this amazing jumpsuit. It is so comfortable. Like, I mean, it's not even like hectically short. I mean, you know, I would definitely be a little conscious if I was wearing this out. So thank you so much to Shivani for this jumpsuit. I absolutely love it. It has like bell sleeves. I don't really know what you call these, but like has very biggish sort of sleeves. It is super comfortable. You know, it has a little okay. Clearly your girl's gonna have to wear a camisole on the inside of this. Okay. We all girls yet, let's hope. But I really like the design. I think it's really cute. And yeah, I'm wearing shaper shorts, so if that's what you can see, that's what it is. Okay. Yeah, I really like it. Super comfortable, and I would definitely wear this often because it's cute, it's comfy, and this is, I mean, this is a look, but we're not out here trying to flash the people. I'm gonna have to pull an Indian auntie move and legit put a pin here, because you know your girl was blessed, okay? We can't have me flashing people. I'm just saying. So the next piece of clothing I got was from my friend Reshi, my slay sister Resh Akka. Thank you so much for this dress. I absolutely love it. It is so stunning. It has like a more or less squarish sort of neckline. I don't know if you guys can see, but it has stitching all along the back of the dress, right till the bottom. And it is super cute. It goes right over the knee, which is a really good length, I think. And it's, you know, it's cute. Can you guys see it? The twins are out to play. I apologize if I'm flashing everyone. Anyway, so the next dress I decided to purchase was this one. And this is from Mr. Price. I do believe it was 130 Rand. And by the time I paid for shipping, it was 175 Rand. So this was a really stunning dress. It has like a really awesome cutout at the back. Obviously, I would have had to worn a black bra with this, but I'm too lazy right now, so what ifs. I still have the price tag on it. See? 130. I really like the cutouts on the front here. I really like this bralette style of dress. I generally do like bralettes, but I can never find bralettes in my size. I know a lot of people say to me that I think Pick n Pay clothing has really pretty bralettes for big bust sizes, but I definitely need to go and check them out. But I really was obsessed with this cutout. That's why I got this dress, and I really like the lace detailing. I think the length is also pretty good as well. It's not too short, which is really nice. And yeah, it's a really cute dress, and I really am obsessed with this dress. I think this dress is super cute. And before I show you guys the dress I actually wore for my graduation, which I'm sure you guys already have seen, I'm going to show you guys a jacket that I bought because I recently started work, and obviously most of the time you need to wear full black clothing, and it is getting cold, and I really needed a nice sort of, you know, chic black jacket. So I found one on Planet 54, and I'm going to show you guys what it looks like now. So this is what the black jacket looks like. It's a quilted black jacket with like gold detailing on the zip and all that great stuff. It's not too thick, but I feel like it's one of those jackets where even if it's not too thick, it's definitely going to keep you warm enough because that's just how the material is. But yeah, I think it's a really nice cool black jacket. I probably should have taken a small because I feel like this is too big for me. Like, it's really big, but I really don't mind oversized jackets at the end of the day. I think it's a really cute jacket, and yeah, I really like the quilting sort of detail on this jacket. And this jacket was about 150 Rand on Planet 54, which is quite decent, and I'm already getting hot in it, so I can tell that it, you know, sort of maintains heat really well, or contains heat really well. So yeah, just thought I should show you guys if you guys are on the market for a nice black jacket that's not too expensive, because I know these days jackets are just highly overpriced, and sometimes you just want something that looks nice and feels nice and is comfortable. And I know I can always trust Planet 54. So yeah, I really like this. And okay, and then this is the dress that I wore for my graduation. Now the reason why I decided to have two dresses is because I wasn't really sure of the weather. I mean, if it was cold, I definitely would have gone with this dress regardless, but I wanted an option if it was going to be hot. So I'm really glad I wore this dress. I think the contrast between this dress and my gown really went well. This is such a stunning dress, and yeah, obviously having more options is better than just having one. So I'm extra like that. Okay. But I really love this dress. This is probably like my most favorite dress of life. I'm absolutely obsessed. I think it is so cute. It is so flattering. I love the cold shoulder situation happening right now. But yeah, I really love off the shoulder things, cut out things. Like, I'm just on that vibe. So why not slay for graduation? Okay, so I just lowered the camera just a little bit so you guys could see like the slit in the dress a little bit better. I mean, the slit doesn't start too soon, which is really nice, and it's very tasteful, if you know what I mean. So I paid around 250 Rand for this dress. With shipping it came to about 300 Rand. I ordered on Monday, got my order on Wednesday. Shop at Robson, service is amazing. Same with Mr. Price, ordered on Monday, got the dress on Wednesday as well, which is absolutely amazing. I mean, service goals. And I got this dress on sale. It was on sale. I think it's originally like 400 Rand, and they didn't have my size, you guys. They didn't have my size, which is a medium. So I got the small, and I was praying to the good Lord that it fit me, because I know for a fact I'm a medium. I can squeeze into a small. That cotton on dress is in a small. So thank the Pope, I can squeeze into a small, okay? But the last thing I got was these really cool ankle boots, especially because it is getting colder and all that stuff, and I am going to be leaving the house quite frequently for work. So I decided to get myself these really cute boots. These were about 170 Rand, which was a really good investment because I don't really have ankle boots. I mean, I have stiletto boots and stuff like that, and everything that's in a heel, but I don't really have flats. So I decided to get myself these boots from Planet 54. Again, really nice quilt detailing, and it's gonna match my jacket really well, so that's really cute. So that is it for my mini clothing haul slash stuff I got for my birthday slash graduation dresses. I really hope you guys have enjoyed this video. I mean, it was a little bit different than usual because I mean I did get some of these for my birthday, which was amazing, and I really love them, so I had to show them to you guys. I mean, sharing is caring, you know what I'm saying. So yeah, I really hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to slay all day every day with or without makeup, and I'll talk to you guys in my next video.